my name is BWest, and today I'm here with B.A.M Gaming671.
Hi.
And today we're doing Minecraft. Yay.
Yeah!
That one game
Because
that
we're
everybody...
a little kid. Let's get out of my room and play
Yeah, let's play the
Minecraft.
game that everybody hates now. Yeah. By the way, this video is just a test for the webcam because I just got a webcam and we're just testing it. And anyway, we're just testing that, and
I met a lassie in the pub. Her name was Irish Pub. I couldn't think of an Irish name.
Her name was Irish Pub.
So we'll call her now Irish Potato. I couldn't think of an Irish name.
Her name was Irish Pub.
So we'll call her now Irish Potato.
Potato.
Her name is Irish Potato.
Potato!
Banana. Banana.
I don't think I have enough wood.
That's what she said.
Fuck you. Yeah, I'm repositioning the microphone so that will catch both of our voices loud. Okay. There we go. And let's make this closer. Okay. We can barely see you.
How about now? Wake me up right now. Yo, what's up right now?
Okay, we're gonna finish this house. Or I am going to. He's just sitting here talking to make the video funnier. What are you doing? And we had just enough wood.
That's no sand, you know.
There, ta-da! Okay, by the way, this video was a complete waste of your time. We were just testing webcam, so. Ding! I have to censor that now.